Okay. Shout out to the subscribers. Not financial advice, just an educational video. And I want to tell all my subscribers, I'm really happy, and my fan base is it's just growing so fast. I went from 101 to like 110 in like 2 weeks. So making these videos, hope you enjoy them. So last week we talked about the beginning, the middle, and the end. Where are we at the end? Are we going to stretch any higher? Are we going to move, or where are we? You got people saying, "Oh, the top saying no, we're going to go higher," and it's like, okay, so it's a bunch of blah blah blah. So let's just look at price action and see if it can give us some clues. And we're going to go over the tech stocks because I believe a lot of tech stocks can give us a lot of clues here. So we're going to go over the most bullish ones. So take note here. What I think are some of the most bullish stocks on here. So here we go. We're going to start with Google. I think Google itself is pretty bullish. Looks like a leading diagonal. And then 1, 2, 3. So if we're right, this is the one to play next week, just because if it's wave 3 of 3, it should move up pretty fast. So I look forward to seeing this play next week and being part of it. Okay. We're going to do NVIDIA. NVIDIA, I mean, don't fight the trend. Looks like we still got room to go. 190, 200. So that's what I got for NVIDIA. Still climbing. Meta, that's the 30-minute here. So Meta fits nice like an ABC here. But, looking at the rest of the tech stocks, not kind of telling us that. Gonna work on this count a little bit better, see if I can fit something else, but it's what I got currently. We got the ABCs, kind of this area I'm focused on. Um, if this is truly an ABC, we should start seeing this move up to 800 area. Why I think it's hinting that it's an ABC, not a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just, it came down 1, 2, and 3, 4. I would expect a little bit sharper drop for wave 3 and then come up and then 4. This correction is kind of going sideways a little bit. So it's making me think that, okay, this is an ABC and we're going to move up. That's Meta. Um, I don't know if I did Tesla yet. Tesla here, you got all the cult following people on Tesla. You can count this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and you can squeeze an impulse here. People can argue and say this is an A, B, C. I mean, whatever. So the best thing to do is look for clues. Um, we we got up here, and you can squeeze an impulse in here, and then we had you see this is 3 swings, so that's a correction. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay, so we got an impulse up, and then we had one more low, but didn't take out the low. So okay, it's kind of hinting at us that it it could push up to over to 500. So keep an eye on this one here. Obviously some key highs to take would be this 357. And key low to hold would be this 289 here. So definitely on the watch list, as it has tons of potential to the upside. Well, I gotta clean this up a little bit. All right. Tesla, Google. What else I have? Meta, Amazon. Did we do Amazon? I believe so. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still room to go up higher. That's what it looks like. So that was pretty simple. Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, and Meta. I think this one here, Golden Sachs here. So it's a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like it needs another leg up. So a lot of stocks telling us they need another leg up. One stock that looks like it pretty much has peak is BA, Boeing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it could give us one more high here also, but want to watch for it to pull back all the way to close this gap. Pretty close to that. So we'll keep an eye on this one. Probably good short opportunity there. With that being said, that looks pretty much like all of them. Apple, at minimum, looking for an ABC. This one here had its peak already. Like I mentioned before, it was coming into a peak. Big clue here is that if it takes out the top, that means the peak over on the market is already in, and we're going to definitely head higher. So one to watch for some clues. So I'm looking for an ABC at minimum to head up to these 100 and 161 Fibs. So it's another one there. That's about it. All right. Shout out to my followers. Love you.